This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank virtually released a compilation of initiatives undertaken by the School Education Department during COVID-19 pandemic in New Delhi yesterday. Releasing the compilation, Pokhriyal highlighted that the Department of School Education and Literacy has taken several initiatives, including PME Vidya, Pragyata Guidelines, Manodarpan for psycho-social support, alternative academic calendar, to ensure that the school-going students do not lag behind in their studies during COVID-19 pandemic. He expressed happiness that these initiatives have contributed a lot in mitigating the impact of the pandemic. Meghalaya Education Department has issued the notification for reopening of schools. Government recommended for full opening of educational institutions from class 9 to class 12. For classes ranging 6 to 8, government has recommended for full opening in rural areas and partial opening in urban areas. It also said that parental consent for attending classes is mandatory and school managing committee shall consult with the stakeholders prior to reopening of any category such as parents, district health officials and local communities. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has discussed plans with officials from Fly Big and the Transport Department to operate flights from Airport Ri Bhoi in Ri Bhoi District. And officials said Fly Big will have to get the nod from Airport Authority of India to operate from Umroi Airport. Indigo Airlines, which was operating from Shillong, Kolkata to Kolkata, flight is yet to announce resumption for their services. The Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organizations yesterday put up black flags and banners in different parts of the state capital Shillong, demanding implementation of inner line permit in the state. It was also seen that many cars and buses too displayed black flags on the request of COMSO members. With 43,082 new COVID-19 infections, the country's total cases went up to 93,09,788. The Health Ministry said with 492 new deaths, the death toll has gone up to 1,35,715. Total active cases now stand at 4,55,555. Total discharge cases reach 87,18,517 with 39,379 new discharges in the last 24 hours. Recovery rate has reached 93.65%. Over 11,31,000 COVID samples were tested in the country in the last 24 hours. With this, the cumulative testing figures has crossed an important milestone of 13 crore 70 lakh. Nagaland's total cases of COVID-19 positive have reached 11,091 with 31 new COVID-19 infections reported yesterday. In a tweet, Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pyangnuphom said 14 cases were detected from Dimapur, 12 in Kohima, 3 in Peren and 1 each from Mon and Twensang. In addition, 211 patients have also recovered, which include 125 from Kohima, 84 in Dimapur and 1 each from Mon and Pek. With this, a total of 9,699 persons have recovered, improving the recovery rate to 87.45%. Besides, 1 COVID death was also reported from Kohima yesterday, adding the total COVID deaths in the state to 57. Presently, there are 1,219 active corona cases in the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio at 11 a.m. tomorrow. It will be the 71st episode of the monthly radio program. It will be broadcast on the entire network of AIR and Doordarshan and also on AIR News website www.newsonair.com and News on AIR mobile app. It will also be streamed live on the YouTube channels of AIR, DD News, PMO and Information and Broadcasting Ministry. 2 months after the Assam police has cracked down the smuggling of fake currency notes and arrested 4 persons of Northstown in Jaggi Road, Guwahati, a report was received from West Khasi Hills Police that on Thursday the Northstown police, through a tip-off, were informed that some people are smuggling fake Indian currency notes in Northstown. In this connection, the police has intercepted and arrested 2 persons who were involved in the case. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.